Hello everyone, it's a lovely Sunday, and we are just closing on a weekly closure, and it's been a couple of few days which had very volatile situation. So as you can see, I'm at the weekly candle, and last week we everyone was bearish and everyone was like talking that we're going to 15,000. But what happened, we had a situation, we had 3 weeks continuous a downtrend, and now this week we have a bullish candle, and it's a very important bullish candle because this weekly candle is breaking through the supply zone, which was setting strong for a since last year mid August. So this can be a structural change for the BTC price action. So let's see how it works, and let's move into the daily candle frame. Some very interesting facts. um, 2 weeks, yeah, last week I said it's a very good buying opportunity for person who is collecting, and if somebody is trying to work, start doing a dollar cost average. I think it's a very good opportunity. Prices came back and retested the previous all-time high from 2017, right? And I was showing this diagonal support line. Price came back up to above that one, and we saw a situation where initially price the I think the investors started selling off soon as it the price reached out to this supply zone, because this has been previously been the price has been rejected from here. So it was clear that the initial investors wanted to take profit, the people who kind of came here, and we I was clearly telling a daily RSI is oversold, a very good buying opportunity. So these are very good technical points. And now, and price has gone up, and I have a kind of a diagonal line to understand the resistance point of RSI, and it went broke, and then next day, yep, price went up. So, thing about Bitcoin, what I always say is there's the Bitcoin fundamentals are very strong, and there's no fundamental analysis you can do it on again and again and again. So it's done. It's we have agreed on the BTC fundamentals. So now you need to look for technical opportunities when you want to buy Bitcoin. So that is what. So last week we had a very good technical opportunity, and anyone who capitalized on it, I would say we are at a very good profit level, right? So now again, what I'm seeing is on the daily chart, I'm seeing a huge uh, divergence, a bearish divergence. Price has increased, right? But the RSI is, you can see clearly RSI is coming down. So that means though the price has increased now, uh, the people who are trying to buy having less aggression on buying. So that means we might see a, right, when you see that kind of this, we might see a downward trend. Some people trying to take profit. So I'm not sure whether it's a bull run. No, it's not a bull run, because I'm expecting the bull run somewhere towards the 2025. But this can be a rally, right, to take some profits, or maybe to clear wash some noobs. So be careful with the investments. Learn to do a proper investment. If you're dollar cost averaging, yeah, keep buying slowly. And if you're a cost averaging based on a technical like me, yep, just wait for a next good opportunity. Don't rush in, right? So next week it's going to be a critical thing. I think you can see there are some major events happening in the calendar. Let's see what are the events going to be there. Okay, Fed press conference, I think FOMC meeting. Nowadays, these things are having a major impact on Bitcoin prices. So 22nd March is going to be a major day for Bitcoin. So why it's going to happen on 22nd? So price might, based on the decision, price might take a turn or continue. I think everyone is expecting a situation where the Fed to not to increase rates or decrease the rate. If that happens, it will be a bullish sign for Bitcoin. But if they, despite the banking crisis in US, if they go and increase the rates, I think uh, we might see a turning point, like the reversal. So let's see how it works. Okay. Thank you. If you have any question, you can drop a chat, and have a good day and have a good weekend and all the best for the next week.